bottles of Berlin, but we can't smoke in the spot. Still feel like gas in the air. Nigga, I'm from the front, so we get the money. That's on the gang, I don't care what you do. Into the breeze, taking your malls. Where I'm from, you gotta stack like a Jew. I'm the big.
What's up, you guys? Me and Tati and Angelo, who left Jocelyn with my aunt. We just pulled up to SneakerCon. Got a lot on my hands right now. She got the baby. So I'll catch up with you guys when we post up in there. I sold one pair so far. So for 150, 160.
Hey Siri, tell ahead. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Oh, what? Hey Siri, flip a coin. Oh, wait, can you use it? Hey Siri, flip a coin. Damn. Yeah, coin.
Hold on, you wanna try my Alright, so we found one. I got tails. So right now I just only sold a few pairs. I'm only holding 3, so I'm gonna just walk around for people to see it, I guess, because not much people going around over there. But usually when I walk around with pairs, people be like, "Oh, how much though?" So we're gonna see if people throw some offers real quick, just trying to get rid of these 3. But then I will start buying. Yeah, that's it. Selling him the Supreme Dunks Varsity Red for 150. 150. Yeah, thank you, man.
Thank you.
About rock paper scissors for $85.90 on these.
25 for both. 190 on shoe.
On shoe? Just the beer this one. Damn. 85. About to go eat, but I'm gonna vlog there if we do. Or we are gonna eat. I'm not gonna not eat, so I'm gonna vlog whatever we eat. I'm about to take pictures. She's taking pictures. Both of our Instagrams are down below. Check them both out because they're fire. Just letting you know. I haven't even took them yet, but I already know. Oh my gosh! All right, yeah.
There is a direct flight for this. Well,
We at
depending on the points, there is a direct flight that gets you in the morning.
Full Hot Plus. Bro.
Dude, I heard this on fire.
Damn, but yeah, we about to grub. Alright, y'all, day 2. I'm taking one pair in. My bad for the battery for it. We're heading out right now. She's got some food. Yeah. We got these. No. Size 11. Off-white Air Maxes. What is up, you guys? It is Jocelyn Vlog. Today we're trying every flavor from Joe's Shaved Ice. I mean, Italian ice. I don't know. I'm just kidding. We only got one flavor and it's called Fuzzy Wuzzy. Crazy busy. I'm guessing it's a popular little spot, so this better not disappoint. Video. Alright, ready?
You gotta give me the most difficult side.
Mine was like that. Ready? We're gonna try it the same. Is it good?
I should have got a different one. This low-key tastes like medicine.
You can have it. Go! Let's go. Oh, I'm getting square.
Why? Why did you do this one?
Go it again.
Join it.
Run through it. Go. I'll go with you. Walk. Just a little bit.
Sleepy man. It's hot out. What's up, you guys? It's Jocelyn Vlog, aka Jocelyn Kicks, Jimmy, or whatever you guys know me as. Today I'm pranking Tati. Well, if you guys have seen this, it went through good, but I'm leaving Angelo right here on this swing by himself. I parked my car in the garage already. We usually don't. We park outside still because we still have stuff in the garage. We're still working on the house. You guys are getting a little sneak peek of the living room right now, though.
Your dad is so dumb. You so fucking failed. I literally see that. I can see that. I always put my keys up right there.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Alright, you guys. Thank you guys for watching that video. So we're at an Airbnb right now. I'm not vlogging. Just kidding. It's not gonna be in this vlog though. It is. SneakerCon was like a month ago, to be honest. But now it's July 3rd. 4th of July vlog is next. Thank you guys for watching this one though. Make sure y'all like, comment, suggestions for future videos, questions for a Q&A. And if you haven't already yet,
Subscribe.
there you go.